What's up guys, it's me G Magic. If you love listening to audiobooks, then the book app is the best app since sliced bread. Just copy the audiobooks from iTunes or download from the web browser using the file manager because it's running on iOS at 13. It support download. So I have 45 audiobooks as you can see. I mean, who really don't love audiobooks? Personally, I love audiobooks. Wow, isn't that amazing? For example, play the audiobook. It to remember the last time where you left the audiobook. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's play amazingly good to be honest with you. It was me, G Magic. Subscribe and bye.